Hello, and thank you for joining me once again at the home body weight home workout. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do some back exercises, okay? And how I'm going to do those back exercises, I'm just going to use the floor, and I'm just going to put my hands behind my back like so I'm down straight. So just basically, just cross my legs over, and I can do this at different hand positions. Move back a little bit. I can do this with a wide grip hand position. I can do them with a closer grip. So, or I can do, I can do them wider than shoulder width. I can do them at shoulder width, or I can do them with my hands fairly close together, which makes it a little more challenging. And it's what I'm going to do today, because it's a bit more challenging because you have to balance yourself. Balance becomes more critical. So anyway, so look up at the ceiling and just push yourself up. It's just like a reverse push-up for your back, okay? Keep your lower back as straight as possible. You'll have to bend it a little bit as you come down, but, okay. Oh. All right. Okay, so basically it's just hands behind your back, and like I said, it's like a reverse push-up. Push-up for your back. A back up. So my hands are foot close together, which makes balance more challenging. And this exercise is actually quite challenging. And if you want to mix it up with something else, you can do exercises from the wall. Push forwards from the wall. Push yourself forward. All right. And it's really quite an awkward position. But just keep going until you can't do anymore. I'm not able to do that many because it's really an uncomfortable position, but it's really actually effective, very effective too, at the same time. All right, so one more time, a little bit. Look up at the ceiling, breathe normally. Your lower back fairly straight. Okay. And you reach a fail pretty quickly with these because it is an awkward position and you are trying to maintain balance. And you pretty much have most of your body weight on a very small position with your hands behind your back. All right, so let's go one more time. So always try to reach multiple points of failure. And you can even vary them with either a shoulder width or a wider than shoulder width. But you do reach kind of a failure point fairly quickly. So I'll just give it a quick flex here as I'm sitting on the ground. Just a quick flex, 20-30 seconds just to flex and give your muscles a bit of that extra tear. Okay. All right, and let's go again with the close-in grip. Again, my hands are nearly together, like so, behind my back. All right, so let's go one more time. So balance is key. And the fact that you have to balance it yourself makes it even more challenging, which is good, and makes it more challenging means it's working your muscles even harder. Okay. All right, let's go one more time. Okay. All right, and what I'll do is I'll kind of do a more shoulder width one, which is quite a bit easier. Not so much required on the balance front. But it's a very effective back workout. It really works your back hard. All right, so let's try a couple more. Again, just hands together. Keep your lower back straight. Getting pretty tired now. Yeah, but that's very effective. I'll try one more shoulder width just to mix it up a little bit. Yeah, boy, you reach a failure point really quickly. All right, let's one more time. Just keep it going, keep it going. Try not to rest too long in between. All right. So I pretty much reached a failure point there. All right, so next thing I want to do here is I want to use the wall to just push up against the wall and to add a little extra back challenge to my workout. So for example, I use this wall here, and I can put my feet in different positions. I can put them here, stand up a bit more, or I can put them out a bit more. There's quite a wide range of angles and positions that you can use to target the muscles in different areas. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my feet out quite far from the wall, about a yard or so, a meter or so from the wall, and I'm just going to push forward like so. Just make sure when you're doing this that you put your hands and feet at the same position each time. And I can be really reaching the failure point quickly because I've already done the exercise on the floor. I've already done the shoulder, the back exercise on the floor, back and shoulder actually. Okay, but just keep doing them. So I'm putting my feet about here and my hands here. And just pushing forward. Keep your head up as you're doing them. And again, my hands are together, close together. Whew. All right. Whew. All right, that's quite an effective exercise. I'll just do a quick flex here as I take a quick break. And yeah, I feel it's really invigorated the heck out of my back there. So that's very good. All right, let's do it one more time. Head up. Breathe normally. Yeah. Okay, so between this exercise and the one on the floor, I'm really attacking the muscle from different points, and obviously doing completely different exercises. So that just adds a bit of variation. I like to double up on the exercises. Do one to where I can't do anymore, and then do another one, because you can reach an additional point of failure because it's a totally different exercise, and so it gives you the opportunity to kind of start fresh with the muscle from a different point. Okay. As you fail with one exercise, as you reach your point of failure with one exercise, you can start another one, sort of fresh, with a clean slate, and reach an additional point of failure. Even though you do reach the point of failure much more quickly than if I had started with this one. All right, so I'll just flex again quickly. This doesn't have to be 20 seconds because I've already done it a couple times. Just a quick flex there. All right, let's go one more time. Feet out, about the same, about a meter, about a yard from the wall. Head up. I kick that. All right, so that's reached about the failure point on 2 exercises there. So as you can see, between this one that I did on the floor here and that one, it adds a double, it's just attacking the muscle from the back muscles from the different areas. And it gives me two major points of failure to reach. So it's fabulous. It's really, it only takes me a couple minutes to do this exercise, and using common household items, and it works fantastically. I get an excellent, very tight back workout in a very short amount of time. So thank you very much, everyone. Stay strong and keep motivated to work out. Work out at home, do it in your spare time, and enjoy the results. Thank you very much, and see you.